I'm making a game called Accord. Accord is a 2D platformer that intends to explore the unexplored territory in platformer design. In most platformers, you jump, you dash, you wall jump, and you fight enemies. Why do you fight enemies? Because platforming in those games aren't that fun on their own. And fighting isn't really that fun either, but when you interleave platforming and fighting, you get some kind of loop and that keeps the game going. I don't intend to do that. I am interested in creating something more focused. I'm also interested in creating something that is novel. I don't want a game to feel like just another set of levels for another game. So there are two main principles. The game should be really fun and it should be novel. So I actually started making this game 3 years ago. But I also thought it would be fun to make a custom engine for the game. But making the engine took a lot of time and there were a few problems with that. First of all, implementing everything myself was really fun, but also really hard and time consuming. I had to implement the sprite editor, the tile map system, the editor for placing all the entities, the rendering code, and all that stuff. And doing all that was really fun, but as you can guess, it takes a lot more time compared to a pre-existing engine. Second, after some points, I didn't feel like I was making the game. I was just making the engine, which, again, is fun, but wasn't my primary goal. And finally, when I started making that engine, I had a lot of free time in my hands. And now, I don't have that kind of free time. So, either I don't make the game at all, or I ditch the engine idea. I am ditching the engine idea. Starting tomorrow, I will be porting all the logic, code, art, shaders, etc. to Unity. Unity is an engine that I've been using since I started game development, and I'm really fast at using it now. I believe that with Unity, I will be able to finish the game in a finite amount of time, and I will be able to focus more on gameplay and less on technical details. I intend to share my progress on the game every Sunday on this channel. Starting tomorrow, I will create the Unity project and start porting the game. And next Sunday, I will show you how things went.